Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the select button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called sounds and vibration or sound and vibration and tap on it. And here you should see the option called volume. Select it. And right here we can adjust the sound volume on our watch by swiping on the slider. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.